What is up, guys? I bought this boat. I can't say I just bought this boat. I bought it actually at the end of last year, but I haven't had time to mess with it so far. If you guys actually watch the channel, you will notice that I actually bought this boat last year. I've had videos of me fixing it, doing some work to the engine. The engine was not running. This boat has been abandoned, has been neglected, has not been used since 2017. I bought it as is. It didn't have the trailer, of course. I had to buy the trailer. The main reason that I hadn't messed with yet, not only is because I didn't have time, but also I didn't have a trailer to take it anywhere for me to test it. Now I was able to buy a trailer. As I said, the engine, at the beginning of the year, I've made some videos. I got the engine running. I had to replace the oil seals on the lower unit. I had to replace the water pump, fuel pump, some spark plugs. Got it running. I had to prime the trim again because the trim was not working. That's working now. As you can see, the boat has no steering so far. The cable snapped already. Bought a new cables over there. And as you can see, the boat's in a little bit of a rough shape, but it was a good deal. I hope to get it running and in the water soon. Some of the parts are right here. The cover, the steering cable, and I have some more parts all over from where I got it. You know, they're sitting in my office. There's no reboard ladder. Well, I have the ladder, is just not installed. I have to install that also. And here to take a look inside the boat. You can see none of the seats are here because they were all torn up. So I already removed them. I will show you later how they look. I removed them because I'm gonna get them redone. There's a hole there on the fiberglass because I had to remove the gas tank. The gas tank is not here. I had to remove the gas tank because it was broken. I had to re-weld the stainless steel gas tank. I have no radio, no music radio, just the regular communication radio, and it's dirty and it's a little bit of a mess. But I hope to get this boat clean and seaworthy soon enough. I'm gonna make a YouTube series in case you guys want to keep up. So first of all, I'm gonna start doing a little bit of rinsing on the outside because this boat is way too dirty to work on right now. As you guys can see, I did not have my power washer with me, so I had to only use a hose to wash it. On the outside, I used only soap and water to clean it out. Here on the inside, we can actually see how dirty the boat is. It is filthy. Instead of just water and soap, I actually used a little bit of degreaser to be able to clean this boat thoroughly enough. Inside the hole, I had all kinds of trash. I had sand, rag, sandpaper, wires, and so many other things, as you can see here in the video. And it was actually clogging up the drain plug, which was making it harder for me to wash it. So it was a lot of dirt that I actually got out, and dirt from the many years that this boat just sat there. Here we can already see the boat after I cleaned it. We can see that the water's flowing normally and exiting the drain plug without a problem. And here's how the seats look right now. You can see that they are super torn up. I'm gonna have to redo all of them, and it's gonna be a little bit of a pain. And it's the worst part of the boat, in my opinion, right now.